the things I do for YouTube and you, I have grown a really itchy beard. This is just over a week's growth so that I could test the product for you. This is the Philips OneBlade. In fact, this is actually the OneBlade Pro. There are various models in the range. Some of them charge a little bit slower and have lesser runtime. This particular one charges very quickly and you get up to 100 minutes of use from a single charge. Now, what's different about this is it comes with this really cool looking futuristic blade. Just look at that. Tiny little blades embedded in this head here, which is supposedly going to last for up to 4 months. Now, it's also meant to be gentler on your skin than using a regular razor, and also gentler on your skin than using a blade, which you obviously drag across your skin and can be quite damaging. Now, inside the box we get various bits and pieces. We get some warranty information. We also get some extra information here, again warranty related. We get a discount card off of a replacement blade. We also get these coloured instructions, which are quite confusing. And then we also get some smaller instructions, which are equally confusing. Additionally, we get a little carrying pouch. We get a 2-pin charger. And we also get this attachment because not only can you use this to actually shave down to quite a close shave, but you can attach this and achieve different lengths on your beard. Now, the different lengths here range from 0.4 millimeters all the way around to 10 millimeters. So you adjust this accordingly and you can see the little comb bit coming out higher or lower. And this just simply clicks into place like so, and then you've got that ratchet mechanism here for adjusting the comb length. But we're going to go for a close shave, so we're going to remove this completely. Now, the instructions say that you don't shave downwards, you shave upwards. My main concern is this going to pull the hairs out? Is it going to catch and drag? So let's try this now and see how it goes. Okay, the good news is that doesn't drag and it is fairly smooth. That's quite impressive because this is quite long hair. So there was no dragging at all, no nicks or anything. You can use this either dry like I am now, or you can use it wet and with shaving foam as well. So let's continue and see how it looks when I've progressed a little bit more. That did pull just under here, so it did actually pull the hair there, which is why I winced a little bit, but not too bad so far. Just something of note here, this is the little tiny display which shows I've got 95 minutes of shave time remaining. There's nothing catching the hair, so do this over a sink. And now let's just continue on this sensitive area just here. So there we go. That's half of my beard and moustache shaved off. So I would say that's not as close as a blade shave, but it's pretty near. Probably similar to what you would experience 3 to 4 hours after shaving. So I've now finished shaving the other half of my face. It took me about sort of 3 to 4 minutes just to get to this stage with the OneBlade Pro. I assume that all of the OneBlades are going to perform pretty much the same, but the only difference being you get different run times and different charge times, but certainly the finished result should be the same. I think it's a really nice system. It's definitely not as close as a blade and shaving foam. A regular shaver, yeah, it performs equally as well as that. It's very quick to use. The other benefit of something like this is if you are going to have a moustache or a beard or both, then you can actually use the very edge of the blade here to actually just sort of contour and shape things. And then of course you can sort of, you know, shave this area here, for example, keep your neck clean and just use it to tidy everything up. Or indeed, you could use it every day to actually shave with. you're going to get between 3 and 4 months, I think, from a blade. They're quoting 4 months or up to 4 months on the Philips website, and the blades cost round about sort of 12 to 14 pounds. If you get them on offer, then you can get them for round about sort of £11 is the cheapest I've seen them, which sounds a lot, but if you are getting 3 to 4 months use out of it, it's not too bad. So this is the Philips OneBlade Pro. I'll leave a link to where you can pick up all of the models in the range down in the video description area. So if you want to try this for yourself, then do check that out. I think it's pretty good though. I'm really impressed. Thank you very much for watching. I'm not sure if I'm going to grow another beard. What do you think I should do? Leave me some comments down below. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.